Hi, this is Giles Johnston from Fraction ERP with a quick overview video of how the Contracts module works within our system. When we access the sales order book from the main menu, we can see all the contracts that sit within the system. These screens are also available from the menu at the top of the screen. In the quote book you can see all the different quotes we have available, and also we have these filter buttons here to help you move between the different screens and statuses. Adding a new quote to the system is very simple. We can simply click on the Add New Contract button in the top right hand corner and fill in the relevant details to set up the header for our quote. Viewing and editing the quotes is very simple. In this example we already have one line item added, and we can edit this item to update the quantity for the quote. To convert this information into a quote is very simple. On this screen we can click on the Create Quote button, and this takes a snapshot in time of the information we've stored in the system. So let's say we want to change the quote. Let's say we want to offer a price break for having a larger quantity of products. We can update the line item by changing the quantity and the price, saving this line again, and then going back to the quotations button. From here we can create a new snapshot, which again adds to the revision history of this quote, and we can then print out the quotation either to a PDF and email it, or onto a normal printer. To add further items to my quote, I can click on the Add New Item button, search for an existing part within the system, and add in all the relevant details I need in order to add a new line to my quote. If I want to add a completely new part to the system, which doesn't exist, I can click on the New Part button and add the details in here, creating a quick new part on the fly. To save it, click on the Save button, and a new line is added to the quote. I can now go to the Quotations button again, create a new snapshot, and this generates another quote within the system. See on the screen here where the additional parts have been added and the quantities. When you win the work, you can simply change the status to active, press the Update button, and the quote now becomes a sales order within the system. I can now generate an acknowledgement for the customer by clicking the Acknowledgement button. This comes up on the screen where you can check the details such as delivery date, and then decide how you want to send that to the customer. By changing back to the sales order book, I can now see our quote has moved forward into the sales order book. We can also add new contracts from this plus button in the top right hand corner, which brings up the new contract page for the header as I showed you before. I hope this video has given you some idea of how simple and straightforward Fraction ERP is, and how easy it is to manage your quotes and sales orders within the system. If you want to learn more about Fraction ERP and how it can help your business, then sign up for the free demo using the form below.